In this video, I'll detail how to enable or disable predictive test on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you want to turn on predictive test on your iPhone but don't know how to go about it, this video is going to walk you through. So if you don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when you want to enable or disable predictive test on iPhone, whether you're running on iOS 18 or iOS 17.5 or the earlier version, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings page, just scroll down a bit and select general. Once you selected general, you want to scroll down, so keep scrolling until you get to keyboard and then click on that. Here you have various options available here. Then look through until you get to predictive test. If this is enabled, then you can then toggle it off to disable it. And if this is disabled, just turn it on to enable it. And once you enable predictive test, you should see show predictions inline. So you can just turn this on or turn this off. So if you don't want to show predictions inline, turn this off. And if you want to show predictions inline, turn this on. So that's how you can simply turn on or turn off predictive test on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.